Hey, I don't really know what this guy's thinking, but he hit me up and was like, let's race. So we're gonna check out this BMW. It's a big turbo, or maybe I shouldn't even say what it is, but I'm going to. It's a big turbo, N54. What year is it? 2007 BMW, and we're gonna race in the R8. So let's see how it's gonna go.
That's a GPR cap right there, baby!
But first, pop the hood. Bruh. Do you hear those noises? Do that again.
Do it again.
Oh.
Okay, we'll get wrapped.
Good as new. Dude. Dude.
This is small. Oh, it's hot.
All right, so what do you guys think?
Hey, what are you doing?
What?
How'd you give me the key to get the hood popped?
I just put my hand in right through there, and I just grabbed this, and there it was.
Man, fuck off, man.
What? You want to go?
Yeah.
You want to race?
What you got?
I got that right there.
What? The truck?
Yeah, that truck. No,
Ah.
next to the trucks.
Oh, the Tesla.
All right, guys, so what do you think? Will this turbo right here produce enough ponies to beat the R8? All right, so this is the camera view that I was able to come up with because I'm not trying to hold the camera, so I just mounted it to the back glass on the R8. But anyways, we're driving, we're gonna go race, and hopefully something cool happens. Do you wanna do it right here? All right, you ready? All right, all right. We'll have to get the footage from his camera because he was way back there. Ready? Got my car in race mode. That means paddle shifters only. And we're gonna get another run with the Beamer. That first run, just FYI, that was a 40 roll. You wanna try right here? Are you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. My radar detector didn't even detect the cop that was just chilling on the side of the road, bro. And honestly, like I let off for like I just let off. I don't even know why I let off.
When I saw him, I was at like 80, so that's hella funny.
That is.
I don't know why, but I'm not going. I mean, you're still fucking pulling hella hard on me, but I don't know why I'm not like my car's not going.
Do you? I mean, I'll give you the hit.
Yeah, that might be better.
Okay. Yeah, I'll give you the hit.
Let's go when I go. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you just want to go, and then I'll just follow.
Okay. You want to do it on this one or like this, like here? Or
Yeah, I think that this could probably work. Yeah. Yep, I'm ready.
okay, okay, ready?
Yep. All right, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, on me. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, even that you pull up top. Yeah, that makes sense. It's about 150 wheel or so.
Yeah, and I was short shifting and not flooring it either.
Damn, yeah, that's yeah. Nah, you're
Well, that's
We'll have to do a rematch when I'm fully up, and that'll be fun. Because you'll probably be about the same, right?
yeah. I mean, whatever you get it up to, but yeah, I mean, I'm totally down to race again. Not gonna lie, I was kind of sweating it when I saw that cop on the side of the road. I was like, oh shit, I can't believe my radar detector didn't pick it up, and I didn't see it sooner. But luckily, we weren't going too fast, so the cop didn't even like flinch. He didn't even care. We just drove by like it was nothing. But those were good races. Unfortunately, Andrew had to take off. He had to get back to work or whatever, so we can't really close out the video with just me and him. But with that being said, unfortunately, he was not able to beat me. So the big single turbo N54 Beamer could not take down the Audi R8 with the Sheepey Race twin turbo kit. So he's going to go back, tune the car some more, and then we'll be back to doing this again to see if he can take me down. And actually, I really hope he does, because honestly, I really don't care who wins or loses. I just want people to be happy with their cars. So anyways, with all that being said, guys, I'm done with this video. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this installment of the 30 videos in 30 days. So please stay tuned, because we've got a lot more amazing content to come.